scared and excited. So, yun. Oh my God! And with the dust bag. And may pa-wrap. May ang tawag nito? Bubble wrap. So, hi guys! Aileen here. So, kita nyo naman, bihis na bihis tayo ngayon. At nakingin yung lola nyo. So, ayan. Kasi, mayroon akong dumating na parcel just today. Kaninang umaga pa actually. Tapos yun, I'm so excited to open it and share it to you guys. So, ayun. At ngayon nga, naligo ako at saka nag-makeup, nagpaganda tayo kasi special itong ating video for today. So, yes! I'm so excited. I've been waiting this for almost 1 month when this luxury brand reached out to me for the collaboration and to give an honest review with this item. So yes, it's an item guys, so I'm so excited to share with you, and we all gonna see this for the first time because I've never been open it yet since it's arrived. So because I wanted to open by doing this to share with you for my first impression and honest review with this item. So yun, I'm so excited to share with you guys. So yun nga, meron tayong I have a box here, which is we're gonna do the unboxing today, guys. I'm so excited. Kanina ko pa, actually, I wanted to open straight away, but I said, let's wait for the right time. So, yun, guys. So, kanina siya dumating. So, I'm so excited to open it. Tingnan ko lang yung, ano nito, yung sulat. Pero, yan. Hindi pa talaga yan siya nabuksan. So, ayan siya. So, ngayon, samahan nyo ako at sabayan nyo akong tingnan kung ano ang nasa box na ito, guys. Oh my God, I'm so excited! From Teddy Blake! So, yun, guys. They told me to choose the bag that I like or the bag that I catches my eyes. So, this is the one that is catches my eyes, guys. So, yeah. I kind of have idea na what's inside, but of course I never saw it in person. So today, sabayan niyo ako. So huwag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa, karakaraka. So yun guys, excited na ako. So yun, open na natin. So meron na akong ano dito, scissor. So yun, buksan na natin siya. Kasi hindi ko pa talaga nabuksan ito guys. Kasi hinihintay ko talaga yung sabay-sabay tayo magbukas. Oh my God, I'm so scared and excited. Yeah, and later I'm gonna show you some other items that they got because they have a lot of them, guys. Yung choice mo na what kind of bag do you like. So yun na nga, nasabi ko na sa inyo na bag ito. So yun na. Oh my God! Ito talaga yung gusto ko kasi before I was just watching this that they're doing an unboxing, and I said before, I wish I'll do that someday, and it's happening. Oh my God! So yun talaga, may box talaga siya guys. Oh my God! Kinikilig ako. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan sis? Chill! Ice! Oh my God! Box pa lang guys. Oh my God. Tingnan niyo naman yan. Teddy Blake, New York! Yes guys. Yes, they sent me this. Libre lang ito guys. Libre lang ito. Kaya oh my gosh. This is my first ever luxury bag. Oh my goodness. So yan. I'm so excited. So, ready na ba tayo? Buksan na natin. Anong kulay kaya ito? Anong kulay ba? So, yan. Oh! We are ready. Get set. Ta-da! Oh! Wait, plastic ulit. So, ayan. Teddy Blake, New York. Designer handbag. Made in Italy. Ooh, luxury leather. Wow. Box pa lang, tingnan nyo naman. Ang ganda. Box pa lang yan. Pero, bongga na siya. So, yan guys. Ang ganda. So, after nyan, meron ulit siyang ay, nakabalot sa plastic. Ano to? Wala. So, So, ayan. Meron silang Instagram. Ooh. Share your look with us on Instagram. Oh, yes, I will. Sino guys, yung ganda. Box pa lang. Oh, pang luxury na talaga. Look at that. Meron din siyang paano dito. Yung parang magnet. Look at that. Magnet. So beautiful. Talagang i-keep mo. Even the box you will keep. Because super beautiful. So fancy. And then, there we go. Yan na siya guys. Nandito na siya. I'm so excited. So, ayan. Buksan ulit natin. Kasi na... Oh. Ba't akong excited? Oh my God. Ay, dito tayo. Meron din siyang may dust bag. And with the dust bag. And may pa-wrap. May, ang tawag nito? Bubble wrap. So, it's very protective talaga, guys. Oh my gosh! Teddy Blake, New York. So, ayan, guys. Talagang may dust bag siya. So, alam nyo na kung anong color nito. Yes. So, open na natin. Huwag na tayong magpatagal-tagal pa. Baka magalit na kayo. Oh my God! Dun, 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 dun. That's so beautiful. Oh my God! Kala ko may dumating. Ready? Get set.
Wow!
Ta-da! Oh my God! So beautiful, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. Look at that. So cute. I really love it. So, ayan siya. Meron dito nakalagay na Teddy Blake New Year. Ang ganda. So beautiful, guys. So, that's my ano ha. And yes. Ang ganda. Yung paano mag-open ito? Ah, okay. Ganitong pag mag-open. Wait lang. Pag ganyan siya. And then, pag ganyan.
So hi guys, everyone would have seen how much Aileen enjoyed her Teddy Blake. So there's some good deals right now. You can go to their website. A lot of the bags are up to 60% off. And also there's a code for watching Eileen's video, TB Aileen&Craig 30, and you'll find that in the description below. That'll give you up to an extra $30 off. So let's support Teddy Blake. They do support a lot of bloggers and they do collaborate. Jump on their website, follow them on social media, and you too can also enjoy your own Teddy Blake. Thanks guys.
So guys, stop muna natin yung video and I will just show you the other design that they got on their website. So it's a dream design talaga, guys, because their designer of this bag is Italian designer from well-known luxury brand. So Teddy Blake's create handbags to every style of your choice. So meron sila anything that you like. Teddy Blake's release new collection every month and they develop the new and unique design while also they're trying to keep the price affordable. Yes, mga mare. Premium Italian leather. I really enjoy the luxury feeling and smell of real leather, you know. As a Teddy Blake's bag are made with luxurious leather from Italy. Yes, guys. So, what are you waiting for? With Teddy Blake, you enjoy the luxurious at a fair price always. So go and visit their website www.teddyblake.com. So enjoy, guys. Hindi ka talaga mananakawan agad nito, guys, because it's very ano siya, nakatago. Ganyan. Open mo siya. Pag na ano mo na yung ganyan dito. Tada! So, ayan. Ayan yung loob niya. May paano siya. May sling din siya na together. So, yan. Oh my God! So, ito siya, guys. Ito ang kanyang sling. Wait lang. Ano ko yung camera? Medyo ayusin natin kasi hindi pa kita. Yan, so ganyan. So, ito siya, guys. Yung size nito is 9 inch. Ang pangalan, the name of this bag is Kim Croco 9 inches and then color brown. So they have a lot of colors like this kind of bag, and they also have a lot of other bags that you like. If ever you go to their website, you can check their website guide. Guys, it's www.teddyblake.com. So makikita niyo doon. They have a lot of bag that you can choose any lang bag. So ito yung napili ko kasi it's not that big, and you know, I'm so small, so I need a bag that it's just fit on me, and you know. So yun guys, this is what I choose. This one has a lot of color. They have pink, dark brown, blue, basta ang dami ng color nito. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung ibang mga design at mga ibang color nito. Ito yung gusto ko kasi, ano siya, parang ito talaga yung nabit ko na nakita ko dun sa website nila. Ito talaga siya. Kasi yung cute. Cute ah. Parang crocodile yung ano niya. Pero leather yan siya, guys. So, ayan na nga. So, wala na. So, ayan. Plastic. Tingnan natin baka may plastic. And then, another. Oh my God. I think it's gonna keep a lot of stuff in here. So, ayan guys. So, ganyan yung kanyang loob. It's very nice. Look. Lagyan natin. This is my phone. So, ganyan yung phone. Diba? Kasyang-kasya. Tapos, lagay mo siya. And then, mga make-ups mo. Oh my. So, ayun guys. Pakita ko sa inyo kung anong mga, I will show you what it fits on this bag. So, first, diba, meron tayong makeup. So, you can put it here and still have a space. And then, blush on. It fits. And then, makeup kit. It will fit still. And then, your phone. And then, powder. And then, a big space. So, this is my perfume. So, I think it's still gonna fit. You just fixed it. Oh my gosh. Yun guys. Yun yung nagkasya sa bag. And I will close it. See? It's a big space. That's amazing. Open mo siya. Diba? Ang daming nagkasya sa bag na to. Super ganda. Oh my gosh. So, ayun. Meron pa yung sling niya dito. So, ilalagay natin. I'm going to put... Oh, wow. Ang ganda kasi it's like a gold. Gold. Ganda guys. And then, meron yung yun yung i-adjustment mo. So, ayun. So, ilalagay natin ito. So, dapat ito dito. So, yun lang guys. Wait guys ha. Tapos yun. Guys, yung kanyang itong sling. So, I'm going to show you if, nagbihis talaga ako guys para dito. So, it's really nice. Kasi ganyan yung fit mo. It's very fancy. Diba? Ganda niya talaga. Ang cute. So, yun siya. So beautiful. It's really looking luxury. It's really... And then, look at the stitches. All pantay-pantay talaga. Ayan yung sa likod. Plain lang. So, ang ganda. So, oh my gosh. I love this bag. So, ayun guys. I will just gonna leave the link down below ng website ng Teddy Blake. And then, you go check what bag you like and the bag of your choice. They have a lot of bags there. You can choose whatever you want. on sale. So yun guys, you go check their website, and is Kim Croco 9-inch, and it's brown. So yun guys, if you like this one, so I really love the bag, and it's really beautiful. And so yun guys, I was just gonna end this video, and I would like to say thank you so much Lady Blake for sending me this beautiful handbag. It's really nice and I really like it, and yeah, so nice. So yeah, thank you so much.